How to change voicemail greeting on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and now you want to change the voicemail greetings on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So this will allow you to set a custom voicemail on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please do like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to change your voicemail greeting on iPhone is go ahead and click on the phone app. Then whether you're on Vivorite, Recent, Contact or Keypad, just go ahead and click on voicemail at the bottom right. Now once you selected voicemail, click on greeting at the top right. Then you have two options available here. There is custom and then there is default. By default, this is going to set the default voicemail greeting on your iPhone. You can just go ahead and play it.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Now, if you want to change this voicemail greeting, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on custom. Then you need to record your voicemail. So I'm just going to go ahead and record my voicemail greeting. By clicking on record, hey, this is Adesomi. Welcome on board. Please, this is voicemail message. I'm currently offline and you may choose to leave your message. Afterward, just hang up and then we'll get back to you in no time. Thank you. Then go ahead and hit the play button to listen to the voicemail greeting you just set.
Hey, this is Adesomi. Welcome on board. Please, this is voicemail message. I'm currently offline and you may choose to leave your message. Afterward, just hang up and then we'll get back to you in no time. Thank you.
And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the save button. Then you're good to go. Then when next you have an incoming call that is forwarded to voicemail, then the person will be able to listen to this, your custom voicemail greeting on your phone, and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to change voicemail greeting on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.